everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I am pretty excited, I'm not gonna lie. Guess what I have with me? This is the silver play button or plaque or silver awards. I have heard many names for it, but I have a little bit of a story for you guys. I'm gonna tell you how I got it, what you need to do to get it, and also I'm going to unbox it here with you guys. So let me tell you the story first. So here's what happened. I hit 100,000 subscribers a little bit ago. I wanna say a few months back. And I was one of those people thinking that, oh, YouTube is gonna realize and they're gonna send me the thing. So I just waited and waited and waited, and I'm like, well, I guess, I moved, so I wondered if it, got shipped to Florida. Anyway, I could have waited forever, you guys, because that's not how it works. So someone actually messaged me on Instagram asking me whether hitting 1,000 subscribers means that you were gonna get the silver button, and I was like, yes, that's how you get it, but that really prompted me to do a little more research. So I found out that there is a website. It's actually very simple and straightforward, unlike a lot of the process of monetization, which tends to be a little more difficult. It was just an easy website. It was a YouTube resource. I click get award or redeem award because YouTube knows that you have the subscriber count you need. And then they ask you to put a code, a redeeming code, which according to them, it should appear on your YouTube studio once you have your channel reviewed. So I was just trying to figure out where that code was. I really couldn't find it anywhere. I didn't get any message on the YouTube studio. So interestingly enough, once you're in this page, YouTube has a chat feature, which I was like, this cannot be real, to the point that I actually questioned its authenticity, but it was real. I talked to a very nice man, and he reviewed my channel right there on the spot and gave me the code via that chat feature. I entered the code, entered my address, got congratulated by the man on the chat, and I swear you guys, this took maybe less than a week to get to my place. It was so fast. I mean, considering the fact that it took about 6 weeks to get the code that allows you to get, properly monetized on YouTube, this was just so fast. So I'm impressed with the system to get the silver play button. I was told by the man on the chat that you can get multiples of the same. So let's say you have a team of people that work with you on the channel, not my case, but if I had, let's say, a videographer and this was really an overall effort, you could get multiple of these. So you can order them. I believe they're actually $150 per for the silver. If you're in the next category up, which is 1 million subscribers, the gold plaque, I don't know, I was gonna say plate for a second there, I got mixed up. Anyway, that one I think it's actually more expensive. Regardless, you can get multiples if you want to, get one here on your desk and then another one in your bedroom, take one to work, who knows. I think I'll do fine with the single one, but in case, misplace it or whatever. So I'm very excited, you guys. Now I get to open this, and this is really cool. It's a really nice milestone, and I just really wanted to share with you because you made this possible. And I will be doing more YouTube related videos because my channel is less than a year old, and I have, as you can see, I have had some great success, and there's a few things that I've done that I think might help a lot of you guys. So if you want to see that video, please let me know in the comments, and I will make sure to record one. Microtech UTX-70 Damascus blade, carbon fiber handle to do the honors today. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, you guys. All right, here we go. All right, didn't get quite in there. Okay, got it. Okay, here we go. All right, box, like so. Ooh, has a little layer of foam. And, okay, I got a letter. Okay, I'm gonna read it because this is kind of cool. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor you impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them with even more commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to ask you, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. That is pretty cool, you guys. I mean, I hope you made it through the whole letter. I try to go pretty quick, but that is just as cool as the award. I mean, it's a nice paper, if I'm not mistaken. This is linen, you guys. White linen with a beautiful YouTube logo. Okay, next up, little card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged, let us know. Thank you, Rick. Oh my God, you guys. This is so cool. Okay, let me show you in the box, because you know I tend to be clumsy. So let's get this out of the way. Okay, this is sweet. Oh my goodness, I can't. You guys, this has a little bit of a heavy side to it. Okay, there's one more thing. Recognize your team. Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award. That's what I was telling you guys about. All right. Okay, comes in a baggie. Okay, so the package weighed 3 pounds, by the way, so it's not like a little light thing. Oh my God, I can see myself in here. Presented to LittleFitDevil for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. Oh my God, this is so cool. So what I was saying, that the YouTube sign actually is a mirror. So I can see myself. That's what I said, I can see myself. So when you look at your award, you see your face on the video. Oh my God. And it has 2 hooks there to put it on the wall. I'm not sure how I'm going to place it, but I might just come up with some space here on the sides of the tactical wall. I hope you like it, you guys. Well, thank you so much for sharing this with me. This is definitely something that I was looking forward to since my channel started growing. I knew I was gonna get there. I just didn't know how fast, but I'm glad I did, and it's thanks to you. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys following me through the journey. It has been a blast. I will continue to create content, so who knows, maybe I will make it to the 1,000,000th award someday. Anyway, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you always know, you can follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of playlists here on YouTube. I mainly do knife reviews. However, I will start doing a little bit more YouTube content and a lot more EDC gear reviews. So stay tuned, see what I have for you. Consider subscribing, comment, like this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye. Yay.